Spontaneous for spine refinement and strength. Repeat this sequence for inspiration and writer's block. Begin in tabletop. Cat-cow, Marjayasana, Bityalasana. Look up, drop the chest. Exhale, draw the crown of the head down, backs of the shoulders to the sky. Move with your breath. Sink to the rhythm of your being. Exhale, look over the right shoulder. Exhale, look over the left shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Gaze over the right shoulder. Exhale, center. Inhale, gaze over the left shoulder. Begin to move the spine in C and S shapes, like a snake or something. You're just finding movement. And when you're ready, downward dog, Adho Mukha Shavasana, pressing into all 10 fingertips, navel to spine, allowing the vertebra to decongest. Spontaneous. Next inhale, heels lift off the ground and drop to the right. Arch of the left foot, outside of the right foot, roots to the mat. Long through the spine. Inhale through center. Exhale, heels drop to the left. Shoulders equal. Breath equal. Inhale, center. Exhale to drop the heels. If you have a blanket, you can move it to the side at this time. Adho Mukha Shavasana. Slowly step one footprint forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, step one more footprint forward. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, step one more footprint forward. Exhale. To inhale. Exhale. Step all the way forward in between your hands. Forward fold. Crown of the head is heavy. Hands are active, arms are active. Spine is supported. Option to bring the hands to the elbows, ragdoll, hold. Let that go. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. On your next in-breath, begin to walk the hands with your in-breath all the way up to Tadasana. Crown of the head comes up last. Sweeping both hands up over your head, reach and press the palms through heart center, completing the out-breath. Spontaneous. Exhale, release the palms, sweep both hands up, look up, root to rise, exhale, fold. Inhale, look forward, flat back, step the right foot back, left foot steps back, Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale, walks you forward, top of the mat. Exhale. Inhale with a flat back all the way up, palms above the head, pressing through center on the out breath. Sweep around and up on the in breath. Exhale, forward, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, left foot steps back, followed by the right. Adho Mukha Shavasana, downward dog. Exhale completely. Inhale, forward to plank. Hold. Heels extend away from the body, crown of the head extends, as if you're in Tadasana. Exhale presses you back, left leg lifts. Left knee bends. Breathe here. Equal breath in, equal breath out. With a big sweeping of the foot around, step forward in between your hands. Rooting through all 10 fingerprints. Inhale, look up, expand through the entire front of your body. And on the out breath, steps you forward, fold. Inhale, rise. Exhale, press the palms through center, sweep up. Inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, right foot steps back, followed by the left. Downward facing dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, knees lower, mat width distance, child's pose balasana. Good work. On your in-breath, shoot forward, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right leg lifts, bend through the knee. Exhale completely. Inhale, sweeps your foot around and up, all the way between your hands. Inhale to look up. Exhale, steps you forward, fold. Inhale, root to rise, bent knees, straight legs, palms to heart center, spontaneous. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to dive forward. Reach out in all directions. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, right foot steps back. Warrior one. Toes are relaxed. Core is active and strong. Heart is open. Welcoming in the sun. Thank you for this day. Surrender. Bring both hands down to the earth. Front foot steps back. Balasana, child's pose. Exhale completely. On your in-breath, shoots you forward, upward dog. Downward dog. Exhale completely. Inhale, left leg lifts, bend through the knee. Sweep around all the way through the hands. Warrior one. Gaze up, root to rise. The warmth of the sun, spontaneous, as if you're a flower. Surrender, release both hands down, back foot steps forward. Inhale, palms above your head. Exhale, sweeping through heart center all the way back up. Exhale, dive forward, expanding in all directions. Fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, left foot steps back, followed by the right type of a push-up. Exhale, knees lower, mat width distance, balasana, child's pose. Exhale completely. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale to downward dog. Spontaneous. Good work. Repeat this sequence as often as you'd like to strengthen your spontaneous muscle.